Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best KiwiCo is probably one of the most popular educational subscription boxes for kids, offering a wide variety of engaging STEM projects and creative activities designed to spark curiosity and foster a love of learning. This comprehensive review dives deep into what makes KiwiCo stand out, exploring the different lines, age appropriateness, value for money, and overall educational impact, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your family. Number 5. Tovolo Kiwi Tool. Say goodbye to messy kiwi peeling. This tool neatly peels and cuts your kiwi, keeping the juices contained. It's one intuitive tool for a quick and clean process. Make fruit salad prep a breeze. It easily quarters kiwis, perfect for adding to your favorite salad or enjoying as a snack. Get perfectly prepared kiwi in seconds. The contoured handle provides a comfortable and secure grip while you work. Its unique shape ensures easy and quick fruit preparation, every time. Made with stainless steel wires and sturdy nylon, it's built to last. This reliable tool will help you peel and quarter countless kiwis. It measures 6L x 4W x 3H and is both dishwasher safe and BPA free for easy cleaning and peace of mind. What we like? It's mess free, quick, and has an easy grip handle. If you hate the mess of peeling kiwis, or if you are looking for a time-saving tool for fruit prep, or if you like ergonomic kitchen tools, you should consider this one. It's perfect for busy weeknights or anyone who wants a simple, efficient way to prepare kiwis. What people say. It is so quick and easy and ends up saving pretty much the entire fruit. This works perfectly. Only drawback is that if you have a kiwi larger than the gadget, the cuts get a bit wonky. However, there's still far less wasted fruit left on the skin than if I were to use a knife. The ease of use is amazing. Cut your kiwi in half, push slicer down into the fruit and twist. It perfectly slices and peels with just the turn of your wrist. We love it. Number 4. KiwiCo Astronaut Kit. It's time for a space adventure. You'll build a spinning solar system and launch model spaceships. Learn about space travel and what it takes to be a real astronaut. Assemble and paint model planets for your own spinning solar system. Then, build and launch orbiter spaceship toys using pumps. It's hands-on fun. Explore space travel from its history to astronaut training. Discover amazing facts about life on the International Space Station and learn what it takes to become an astronaut. It comes with a cool solar system poster, an astronaut guide, and a certificate. Learn fun facts, like how astronauts use edible toothpaste. For over 10 years, KiwiCo has created engaging products to inspire kids. With over 40 million products delivered, it's a brand you can trust. What we like? It features real-world science, a build-it-yourself component, and is educational. If you have kids interested in space, or if you are looking for a fun and educational activity, or if you like hands-on learning, then this is the one for you. It's a great way to spark a child's curiosity about space exploration. What people say. So fun and instructive, hours of fun and learning. The directions are clear and easy for kids to follow. The kit is surprisingly full and very high quality. When she opened it and we all got a chance to have a closer look, we all commented on how well designed and put together it was. Number 3. KiwiCo Science of Cooking, Ice Cream. It's science you can eat. This kit lets you explore kitchen chemistry with fun experiments and recipes to create delicious ice cream and sorbet. Get ready for a hands-on adventure. You'll learn how to make your own ice cream and sorbet using simple tools and ingredients from home. Discover the science behind ice crystals and freezing. You'll learn how air and butterfat create the creamy texture we all love. It's more than just a tasty treat. Learn about stabilizers and why they're important for keeping your dessert delicious. Get creative in the kitchen. Use the included recipes as a starting point and customize your ice cream and sorbet with your favorite flavors. For over 10 years, KiwiCo has been creating fun, educational products that kids love and parents trust. With millions of products delivered worldwide, you know it's a great choice. What we like? It teaches real-world science, is a make-it-yourself project, and is educational. If you have kids who love ice cream, or if you are looking for a fun and educational way to make ice cream, or if you like hands-on science experiments, this is a great choice. It's a delicious and educational experience for the whole family. What people say. Such a cute present for a young child, easy to use, instructions are so simple, and a fun educational experience with a sweet treat, not to mention quality time with your child. Got this for my son's 3rd birthday and he loved it. He enjoyed making the ice cream with my assistance and the ice cream actually tasted delicious. The instruction book gives clear directions for each step of multiple batches of different ice creams, making this an activity and learning experience that can carry through for quite some time. The kids had fun rolling the container and especially enjoyed the fruits of their labor. Number 2. KiwiCo Jumping Robot. It's more than just a toy, it's a hands-on engineering project. Build your own jumping robot and learn about potential and kinetic energy. Construction is easy and fun. Assemble the cams, connect the spring mechanism, and add your own creative design to make it unique. Discover how cams and springs work together to make it jump. Experiment with different designs and see how they affect the jump. Personalize it. Use the included parts or your own materials to create a truly one-of-a-kind jumping robot. Learn about the science of jumping in nature too. KiwiCo has been delivering fun, educational products for over 10 years. With millions of products delivered worldwide, you know it's a great choice. What we like. It's a hands-on experience with real-world science, a build-it-yourself project, and is educational. If you have kids interested in robotics, or if you are looking for a STEM activity that's both fun and challenging, or if you like building and engineering projects, this is perfect. It's a great way to introduce kids to the world of engineering. What people say. The instructions were clear, everything fit and worked perfectly, my 7-year-old loved it. The robot we made with our 8-year-old grandson was fun for all. Instructions were good. These are great for the kids to assemble with a little adult help. Grandson age 9 was excited and extremely proud that he was able to build a robot. Number 1. KiwiCo Crystal Chemistry Garden. Get ready for a captivating science adventure. This kit lets you grow your own dazzling crystal garden, learning about chemistry in a fun, hands-on way. It's time to become a chemist. Carefully mix the special solution, following the easy instructions. Watch as the magic begins. Now, let's get crafty. Use the felt shapes and paint to build a beautiful garden for your crystals to grow in. Let your creativity shine. Over the next 2 days, observe as colorful crystals magically appear on the branches of your garden. It's like witnessing a science fairy tale unfold. This isn't just playtime, it's a learning experience. Discover how crystals are formed and how they're part of everyday things, from salt to sapphires. Admire your unique crystal garden. It's a beautiful testament to your scientific exploration and artistic flair. Share it with friends and family. For over a decade, KiwiCo has been creating engaging science kits that inspire young minds. With millions of kits delivered worldwide, we know what sparks kids' curiosity. What we like. It features real-world science, a build-it-yourself element, and is educational. If you have kids who love crystals, or if you are looking for a fun and educational science project, or if you like creating beautiful displays, you'll love this one. It's a great way to learn about crystal formation and have fun decorating. What people say. It really works and crystals started forming in about 12 hours and it was fully formed after 2 days. My 8-year-old son took the lead and did it almost all by himself with my supervision. I love that the instructions are thorough, easy to read, and even include specific instructions to practice with the pipette. The box is well organized and comes with very clear instructions. My son, age 11, was able to follow all the steps without any parental intervention. He enjoyed painting the garden and checking back every few hours to see if the crystals were starting to grow. It was easy to do and didn't require boiling water, and that was nice. Cleanup was easy. The tray was nice for holding the trees and bushes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.